Welcome to Study Online. Today we will start time and work. This is part 1 of time and work. In this part we will discuss some basic questions. This part will be useful for beginners. Okay. Our Facebook group is Study Online. Please join this group. In the upcoming parts we will discuss tricky questions also, okay? So start with first question. The first question given is, this is CGL 2000 question, okay? First question is, A can do a work in 6 days and B can do a work in 9 days. How many days will both take together to complete it? Okay, means A is doing in 6 days. So the best method to solve time and work question will be LCM method only. We will use LCM method, okay? What is this method? Listen. A is doing a work. There are two candidates, A and B. A and B. Okay. A is doing work in 6 days and B is doing work in 9 days. Okay. Now first of all, in all questions, take the LCM of these two. What will be the LCM? 18. That means this is the total unit of work. 18 unit work A and B have to complete. Okay. Suppose 18 is total unit and A is doing 6. A is doing in 6 days. That means A is doing 3 unit per day. 3 unit per day. 3 unit per day. Then only he can complete in 18 unit in 6 days. Okay. And B is completing in 9 days. That means he is doing 2 unit per day. Okay. Now total A and B doing 5 unit per day. 5 unit per day. Okay. Now we have to find the time. Okay. So A and B together they are doing 5 unit per day and they have 18 units. That means time will be equal to 18 by 5. 18 unit in 5 days. Okay. 5 unit per day and 18 unit you have to complete. That means 3.6 days they will take together. I hope you got this. Next question. This is also CGL question. Listen, A, B, C can complete a work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Working together, they will complete work in. So again, same method, LCM method, we will use. A is doing work in 24 days. B is doing work in 6 days given and C is doing in 12 days. First of all, what I have told you, take the LCM of all. Whatever given, A, B, C, D, whatever given, take LCM. So LCM of 24, 6 and 12 will be 24 only. That means assume the total work unit will be 24. So if total unit is 24 and A is doing in 24 days, that means he is doing 1 unit per day only. Then only he will complete it 24 days. And B is completing this work in 6 days. That means 24 units in 6 days. What it mean? It mean 4 unit per day. And for C is completing in 12 days. 24 units in 12 days. I mean 12 days. That means 2 unit per day. Then only he can complete in 12 days. Okay. Now we have to find together. If they work together, how many days they will take. Okay. We have to find. So together they are completing 1 for 5, 5 to 7. 7 unit per day. They are completing 7 unit per day. And total units are 24. So together they will take time will be equal to 24 unit they have to complete and 7 unit per day. That means 24 by 7. That will be equal to 3 by 7 day. Only answer. Option C will be our answer. Okay. This is the best approach to solve time and work question. Let's have 2 more questions. Then it will be clear. Now this is third question. What is given in this is CPU 2004 question. Okay. What is given in this? A and B together can do a work in 10 days. That means A and B together they are doing in 10 days. A alone can do it in 30 days. Then B will do it alone in how many days? We have to find. Now solution. What is given? A and B together. That means A plus B. They together doing the work in 10 days. Okay. And what also given? A alone. That means A is doing work in 30 days. We have to find B. That means B we have to find. Okay. Take LCM of these two. Suppose LCM is 30 only. That means total unit will be 30. Okay. A and B together they are completing the work in 10 days. 30 unit in 10 days. That means 3 unit per day together they are doing 3 unit per day. And for A case, A in 30 days, 30 unit in 30 days means 1 unit per day. Then listen, if A and B together they are doing 3 unit per day and A alone doing 1 unit per day. That means the remaining 2 unit will be done by B only, because A is doing 1 unit and B will be do remaining 2 unit, then only it is 3 unit. That means B will do 2 unit per day. Okay, then only 2 1 will be equal to 3. Okay, so B will do 2 unit per day. Now what we have to find? We have to find B will take how many days alone. Okay, so total we have to find time. Total work is given is 30 and B is doing how many unit per day? 2 unit per day. That means 30 by 2, that means 15 day. Answer only. Option C will be our answer. I hope you got it. Next question is given. A and B can do a work in 10 days, B and C 15 days, and C and A in 20 days. C alone we have to find in how many days he will complete. Okay. Again same approach. What is given? A and B given. A and B together they are taking 10 days. Okay. And B and C together 15 days. C and A together they are taking 20 days. First of all, take LCM of all these. LCM will be 60 only. Assume this is total unit of work. 60 unit they have to complete together. Okay. Suppose A and B together in 10 days. That means 60 unit in 10 days means A and B will do 6 unit per day only. Then only it is completed in 10 days. Similarly, B and C will do 4 unit per day. Similarly, C and A will do 3 unit per day. That means now we will do total. Okay. Listen here, A, that means 2A, B, 2B, C, 2C. That means we can write it 2A plus B plus C. Okay. And the unit will be equal to 6 for 10, 10, 3, 13. 13 unit per day. That means A plus B plus C will do 13 by 2. This 2 this side, okay, is equal to 6.5 unit per day. What we have to find? We have to find C alone. That means how many unit C doing we have to find first. How many units? Okay. Now listen. A and B is doing 6 unit per day. Okay. That means in place of A and B we can write 6 unit. 6 plus C will be equal to 6.5. That means C will be doing 0.5 unit. That means half unit per day. Half unit. C will be doing half unit per day. Okay. Now listen. If C is doing half unit per day and total unit are 60, that means total time C will take alone will be equal to 60 by half. 60 by 0.5, that will be equal to 120 days. Our answer will be 120 days. Option number B will be our answer. I hope you got this approach, you got this method. If you got this method, please like this video. If you have any doubt, comment in comment box. Share this video with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.